369 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 15th August 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on August 15, 2020, 331 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 11,339. Total active cases in the state stands at 3,753. Total recovered cases stands at 7,488. Total 98 deaths are reported till August 15, 2020. 65 years male from Motidongar, Margaon admitted at GMC Bambolim with comorbid conditions expired on 13th August 2020. 53 years female from Motidongar, Margaon admitted at GMC Bambolim expired on 14th August 2020. 83 years female from Fatodda admitted at GMC Bambolim with comorbid conditions expired on 15th August 2020. 79 years female from Agasaim with comorbid conditions expired on 15th August 2020. 71 years female from Baina admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Margaon with comorbid conditions expired on 15th August 2020. Out of 2,528 samples tested, 1,662 are negative, 369 are positive, 497 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 94. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 11, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 15th August 2020. Breakup of total 3,753 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Picholim 31, CSC Sakre 115, CSC Pernem 149, CSC Valpai 143, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 137, USC Panji 188, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 30, PSC Petki 62, PSC Kandolim 77, PSC Kansarvarnam 29, PSC Korwai 87, PSC Kolem 96, PSC Chimbel 227, PSC Shualim 37, PSC Porvorim 144, PSC Mayam 103, Travelers by Road Flight Train 4. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 79, CSC Kankona 29, Urban Health Center, USC Margaon 413, USC Vasco 392, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 53, PSC Kansalem 91, PSC Chinchenem 22, PSC Kortalim 173, PSC Kurtorim 105, PSC Lutolim 63, PSC Marsaim 66, PSC Kapam 74, PSC Sangam 82, PSC Shiroda 67, PSC Darbandara 135, PSC Ponda 184, PSC Navilim 66. Utpal Parikar, son of late Manohar Parikar, on 15th August test COVID-19 positive. Utpal is asymptomatic and currently in home isolation. Other family members are safe. Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane shares about one of the leading frontline doctors and assistant professor microbiology at GMC who has tested positive. Here's what Vishwajit posted. One of our leading frontline doctor and assistant professor microbiology at GMC, Dr. Maria Pinto, has tested positive for COVID-19. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to her for her extraordinary service to the state in our fight against this virus and pray to the Almighty for a speedy recovery. Vishwajit also wishes speedy recovery to Shripad Naik, who has also tested positive. Here's what Vishwajit Rane said. Wishing Shri Shripad Naik a speedy recovery from COVID-19. I'm constant in touch with the team of doctors who are monitoring his conditions, praying for his good health and well-being. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.